Whoa. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday, we got someone filming us. Let's go for a ride.
Stay together, I guess?
Yeah.
Stay together, or what are we doing?
Thanks. Whoa. Tire just blew up, man. Fuck, it scared the shit. Holy fuck, just blew up, man. Oh, fuck.
That guy had upside down in my wheels.
That was fucking crazy, dude. Crazy. It's like, yeah. Oh, fuck. That was fucking loud, man.
Oh no.
Blew up right here, fucking big ass hole.
Dude, right here, I got a piece of it.
Oh, that's crazy.
Crazy, first time seen that.
That landed over by you.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out, guys. Fucking blowout right now.
Oh shit, dude.
Fuck.
Oh man, you got enough footage?
Yeah, I'll just grab you two riding around. What the fuck happened there, man? Yeah, we're really
Fucking loud, man. Gunshot. Gunshot.
Everyone's probably ducking.
Yeah, I think so. I got a video.
Oh,
I got it.
Betsy gets everything.
I get everything, man.
That's a good
I'm a
kid.
paparazzi.
I like it. Oh, the harsh pop, mate.
Well, okay, guys. Eli just switched up his bike. Let's continue on with Sunday Funday.
Love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a nigga wanting this so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, time to fly about it. Catch you at a club, oh shit, you got me feeling. Body talking shit to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway, police catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money, fuck the fame, I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with the passport, just like a ladder, bitch. Get you anything you ask for, it's either him or me. Champagne, Hennessy, a favorite of my homies when we fall on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed. Peep what a hoe need. Puff some more weed from you don't need. Approaching hoochies with a passion. Been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby. I love it when you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, nigga. Now tell me how you
just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy.
Now tell me, is it cool or fuck? Do you think I come to talk in my fool or what? Positions on the floor, it's like erotic. Ironic, cause I'm somewhat psychotic. I'm hitting switches on bitches like I've been fixed with hydraulics. Up and down like a roller coaster. I'm up inside you, I ain't quitting till the show's over. Cause I'm a rider.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
No, we're good to
Sunday
go,
fun day.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Hey, boss.
Dude, it is. I think it's.
I'll give you a card. I'll give you a card. We built these.
Oh, you're building them.
Buddy, I don't know.
So you definitely need a manufacturing consultant.
Oh, you manufacturing also?
Yeah. Anyone that starts a business.
We already have a business, don't we?
Huh?
We already have a business. We got everything going.
No. But you need ongoing to be efficient, to be productive, to be good quality, to get your prices down, to be competitive, to find markets, to find customers.
We've already done that. We already have lots of. We're worldwide. We ship worldwide.
I charge about $1,000 an hour for my advice. And when I work with some of the biggest companies in Canada, and when they say I've got it, I've got that, I've got that, I say thank you, good luck, goodbye. There's no such thing that a business doesn't need help.
No, you always use more help.
Yeah.
But we're pretty good for what we started, though.
Yes, but I'll tell you. So there was a company that used to manufacture mountain bikes. Two guys, no disrespect, but they're really Whistler bums. We're on the mountain all the time, and then one day they decided they want to start.
The A-Ride?
No. That was quite a few years back. And they called me and we helped set up a bit. So, they knew how to do basic machining and, knew how to use a lathe and learned a bit of welding. But it was not a business. And then we really grew the business and it was sold to one of the big mountain bikes here in BC at the time. I think out of Richmond. But what a person like me brings, I'm not trying to sell my services, I'm very busy and I'm very expensive. What a business like yourselves, are you guys kind of the proprietors, the owners? Yeah. What you need, the best thing for you guys to do is find someone like myself who's going to take you under their wings from the outside, coach you, mentor you, show you the right way, tell you the truth. Don't say everything is fine, tell you the truth. When something is not working, tell you it's not working, there's a better way, and you're going to be on your way. I mean, this is beautiful. Your big problem you might have is being regulated. That's going to be your biggest problem, because then they're going to say you need, licenses to drive those things.
Well, these are still bicycles, so it's okay.
Yeah, but you've got a battery, right?
Battery, but as long as you're under 35 kilometers.
Are you? Okay,
yeah.
You see, I don't know the regulations.
You're safe.
But, yeah. But
these are regular e-bikes, yeah.
So my entire last 20 years I've devoted to helping entrepreneurs, and in my resume it says the next generation of leaders and entrepreneurs. That's my mission and passion in life. And that's why when I see something like that, I think it's great.
Yeah, these are crazy.
I applaud you guys that you have the guts and the time and energy and money. It takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of guts, 24/7. And once the business gets going, I'll guarantee you one thing. You're not going to have one night that you can sleep through the night without having to wake up in the middle of the night worrying about something.
That's already the way it is already.
That's already the way. I was the CEO of the company too, so. Anyways, no, but this is really, really great, and I'll promote you guys and
check us out.
You guys are nice.
Yeah, my store's on at 17 West Broadway.
West Broadway, yeah. So we just live here. So 17 West
Across from
Broadway.
the Sport Check. You know what Sport Check is?
That would be close to
main Broadway, yeah. Ontario.
This is great.
Come down, and if you want to get a bike, we can do a work.
Well, I'm not going to do a bike. I go for walks now. Kind of out of energy, and I've got a gym in my basement. But no, I'm very, very impressed. I'm very, very impressed. And where do you get all the parts from?
All over the world.
All over the world.
Electronics are local from Vancouver.
Frames from Italy.
Okay.
All the best stuff.
Yeah, best of the best.
See, so this is another thing that you guys are going to have to worry about, the entire supply chain. I mean, how do you, at the end of the day, you see, you're a small company, so people are taking advantage of you. The question is, when are you going to be big enough to have economies of scale, so you have a bit more power over your suppliers? But right now they've got a gun to your head, they can do whatever they want to do. So sourcing, so this is the other thing that I teach my clients is how to buy locally and still bring the costs down, right? And maintain a good quality and timeliness. Because also your inventory is going to be a big cost. You know, if you have to bring minimum quantity, sometimes suppliers make you do. Anyways, been there, done that. I've been doing it for 40 years. I admire people that start their own businesses. And as I said, my passion, my mission really, is to help the next generation of
entrepreneurs,
like
yeah.
Entrepreneurs and next leaders.
Yeah.
Really. And really, that's what I've been doing for a living for many years.
Cool.
Nice.
For sure. Yeah, come
check us out.
buy
Yeah.
some.
So what's your names?
East Van Chopstick. I'm Ben, and he's
So
Eli.
you're Ben?
Eli. Nice to meet you.
What do you think my name is?
What's your name?
Eli too.
Really? Really?
What fucking took you so long? but I pronounce it Ellie.
Ellie.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Everybody says it different.
Yeah, so I'm Ellie, you're Eli.
That's cool.
It's the same.
There
So
you
there we
go.
go.
For sure.
So we've already achieved that 6 degrees of separation.
Yeah.
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 Awesome.
So we've got something in common.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, I'll stop by, guys. And
For
say
sure.
hi.
For sure.
Okay, have a good day.
Great. You
Bye.
too.
Have a good night.
Okay, guys, break time's over. Let's go for a rip.
Up just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. Get the rockin' these nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about these stickers, play these Cali days. Dolores Tucker using motherfucker. Instead of trying to help a nigga, you destroy your brother. Worse than the others, Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot facts. Want some release, I'm making millions, niggas top that. They want a sense of me, they'd rather see me in the cell. Living in hell, only a few of us a little tale. Now everybody talking about us, I could give a fuck like we the first ones to bomb and cuss. Nigga, tell me how
just
you
meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy.
Raised as a youth, tell the truth, I got the scoop on how to get it bulletproof. Look at shots off from the roof before I was a teenager. Mobile phone, sky pager, gang rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is looking worried, they paranoid of getting buried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. My only hope is survive. If I wish to stay alive, getting high, see the demons in my eyes. Before I die, I wanna live my life involved, make a couple million, and then I'm chillin', fading more. These taxes got me crossed up and people tryna sue me. Media is in my business and they acting like they know me. But I'ma mash out and peel out. I'm with it quick, that's quick to whip the fucking steel out. Yeah, nigga, it's some new shit, so better get up on it. When you see me, tell a nigga how you want it.
Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy.
Okay, guys, we're at Dallas Pizza. We're gonna end the video with some pizza. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next one. Peace.
Meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash. Once again, it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion.